Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about active and passive voice. Active and passive voice. Active, what subject does. Passive, the focus is on the action. Active, Ram killed Ravan. So we are going to change it into passive voice. Ravan was killed by Ram. How to change from active to passive? Look at this statement. Ram killed Ravan. Ram subject killed verb, Ravan object. Ravan was killed by Ram. So you have to reverse this order. First object was be verb killed verb 3 by Ram subject. You have to add by. Here you see this active Ram killed Ravan. Passive Ravan was killed by Ram. Here you see some example. She helps him. He is helped by her. I am buying a pen. A pen is being bought by me. He has to teach us. We have to be taught by him. Someone is following us. We are being followed. Active is equal to subject plus verb plus object. Passive is equal to object plus be plus verb 3 plus by subject. You have to add by and change the verb V3 form. Very common rule is bring the object first. Choose correct be verb. Change verb into participle. Add by plus subject. Look here, she helps him. He is helped by her. Look how subject and object change. Subject I, object me, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, Ram, book, book. If there are two objects, use any one. Look here, she told us a story. We were told a story by her. A story was told to us by her. They appointed him an ambassador. He was appointed an ambassador. An ambassador was appointed to him. The story has taught us a good lesson. We have been taught a good lesson by the story. A good lesson has been taught to us by the story. Has, have, had, is, am, are, was, were. At plus 2 plus verb 1. Look here, she has to help us. We have to be helped by her. We have to learn English. English has to be learned. I have to wait the bus. The bus had to be waited by me. So add 2 plus verb 1, or if you want to change it passive, add had plus to be plus verb 3. Modal auxiliary verbs can, could, shall, should, may, might, will, would, must. Add be plus verb 3. Look here, she can speak Chinese. Chinese can be spoken by her. We must preserve the tigers. Tiger must be preserved. Must have, should have, could have, might have, would have plus verb 3 is equal to must have, should have, could have, might have, would have plus being plus verb 3. He should have stolen my pen. My pen should have been stolen by him. They must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left. So you have to add been if you want to change it to passive voice. No need to add by plus subject if the subject is we, they, someone, somebody, none, nobody, everybody, people, etc. They have stolen my pen. My pen has been stolen. They must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left. You don't have to add by to this subject. Negative sentences remain negative. They have not stolen my pen. My pen has not been stolen. They must not have left any sign. Any sign must not have been left. Nobody has done homework. Homework has not been done. Passive of yes, no questions. Can you speak English? Can English be spoken by you? Has he helped them? Have they been helped by him? Did you help him? Was he helped by you? Do, does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object is equal to is, am, are plus object plus verb 3. Did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object is equal to was, were plus object plus verb 3. Some example of yes, no. Are they planting trees? Are trees being planted? Did they tell anything? Was anything told? Did not he buy anything? Was not anything bought by him? Will he bring the book? Will the book be brought by him? These are the active and passive voice. Thank you for watching.